Yeah, hello everybody. My name is Rüdiger Heidebrecht. I'm head of the Department Training and International Cooperation in DWA, the German Association for Water, Wastewater and Waste. Why I'm doing this video? Because Worldskills International is taking on a new discipline, the water supply and wastewater technician. And I would like to explain why this new discipline in Worldskills is so important for the world. I show you one study. I was able to do that for the German Ministry of Economic Cooperation in 2015, and it's published in February 2016. And during this study, we investigated a couple of GIZ projects. GIZ is a German corporation, technical corporation. And we looked into details in Peru, we looked into South Africa, we looked into Jordan, Uganda, we looked into Vietnam and also Mongolia and Afghanistan, and we had a look what are the German projects are doing there and how much is the vocational training in the water sector implemented already in the different projects. We only could find out that two projects, Peru and Vietnam, are pretty much advanced in the occupational training, in the systematic occupational training. Quite other countries are doing training, 3 weeks here, 4 weeks there, 1 week there, but not in a really systematic way where the job is organized and accepted by the government with good qualification accepted by the sector. Looking to the world and looking to Europe first of all, in Europe we have 25,000 wastewater treatment plants. Or in Germany we have 9,500 wastewater treatment plants, and about 80,000 people are working here in Germany on the water supply and wastewater operation. If you look globally, there's only 20%, I repeat that, 20% of the world wastewater is only treated. So we are really shitting into the rivers and into the oceans, and of course this has to be changed in the years to come. In New York last year in September, the Sustainable Development Goals were declared and now are on the agenda. We have the Agenda 2030. We are now in the world with 7 million people, a billion people. We will be 10 billion people into 2050. So the pressure on the resource water is very high. If you look to some areas, what I know from the areas where I work, Egypt, there's a big pressure on the water area. If you look to Jordan, one of the poorest countries in the world with water, with a lot of refugees, there's a huge demand to qualify the stuff and to get good water for safety reasons. 80% of all the diseases in the world are transported by water. So when we clean the world, I think there's a big use for that to improve that. That Worldskills International is taking the water and wastewater technician as a new skills discipline, I think that is a really future topic, because the water supply and wastewater is in all the countries in the world. We all suffer from the need of clean and good water. So I think this showed you that we need this, and especially this year. This year is the UN Year Water and Jobs. And the UN just published some new data where we can see that 3 out of 4 jobs in the world depending on water. So in the agricultural and industry and everywhere. So I think it's a good message that we bring it out, that Worldskills takes over in the UN Year Water and Jobs new discipline on the agenda. So thank you very much, and I hope we get a lot of followers related to the new skills in Worldskills. Thank you very much.